there and welcome to another HineyVersity video. In the last few videos we learned how to apply support or resistance, we applied trend lines, and we also applied our Fibonacci retracement. Today we're going to dive into the exciting world of the EMAs, Exponential Moving Averages. We'll go to indicators. We'll just type in the top EMA, excuse me. Yes, here we go. We take that one, the 20, 50, 100, and 200. After you've done that, you will see some curvy lines. Now they're not very obvious, so we go to the settings of the EMAs. Here you find that on the left side, settings. Let's make the important one a thick line. There we go. And I have to change one more. That's the two most important ones that I will use. Let's just make it a thick one. You don't need to change the color. Now you see them very clearly on the chart. Now I've selected the 20-day EMA. You also have the 50-day EMA, which is the orange line. We have the 100-day EMA. That's the light blue line. And then the dark blue fat one. That's the most important one. That's the longer time frame one, the 200-day EMA. EMA moving averages, it says itself, it is the price, average price over a certain period of time. So if you select the 20-day EMA and you go on the daily chart, it's actually 20 days, 20 blocks or 20 candles. If you go to the hourly chart, the 20 EMA will become 20 hours because it's time frame related, of course. So we'll use it now on the daily time frame. 20, 50, 100, 200. You can change them if you want. Some people prefer to take the 9, the 20, the 50, and the 200. This is now just the standard one that I've selected. We're going to show you what you can do with them. So we'll scroll a little bit out. And you see here, where my mouse is, that's the 200-day EMA. And it acted as resistance. Because XRP tried to get over it and it failed. It acted as resistance, actually a slight rejection there. And if you see now, you have the 20-day EMA coming up. There's a big chance that that will act as support. So if XRP drops another dollar, a few dollars, this will come in and act as support. And then XRP will start to turn around and go up. And it will just depend now on which level will give first. If we lose the 20-day EMA, that means we are in a downtrend, and it's likely that XRP will drop in price. If it finds support, turns around, and manages to break through the 200-day EMA and our trend line that we posted here, that means it's a trend shift. It means now the 200-day EMA will become support. And you can see it clearly here. If the 200-day EMA is below the trading price, it's very bullish. The price goes up. When it starts to come even, or when the 200-day EMA goes above the trading price, you see the token go down. Support, resistance. And that's how you use EMAs. It's a very easy tool to use. You can adjust the settings very easily to your own likings. If you like to do shorter time frame trading or longer time frame trading, you will always have the moving average or the price average from the time frame that you selected, and that will help you in decide where there's support, where there is resistance, and it will tell you also, okay, we're above it, so it's bullish. It will go up. We're below, and you see this crossover here. The crossover, it's very bearish because there is a shorter time frame crossing over the longer time frame. If it is the other way around and the 20-day EMA crosses above the 200-day EMA, that's a very bullish sign. So we call that a golden cross. This is a dead cross, and we have a golden cross. And that will mean that XRP will rally on. It's a very bullish sign because the 20-day EMA is giving very good support and the 200-day EMA is not giving any resistance anymore. In fact, it will go way down, way below and keep pushing. Then it's up to the other EMAs to keep pushing the price up until the support fails and the people start selling, and then you see a clear trend down. And when you see this happening with the EMA, like a very swift turnaround, you know it's going to be bullish for those days. And yeah, use it to your own advantage, I would say. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do like and subscribe, and thanks for your time. See you in the next one.